Hello, learners. Don't let confusion grasp you. There is no blood vessel that ever carries blue colored blood, nor is any blood deoxygenated completely inside our body. The one that we call as the deoxygenated blood is indeed less oxygenated blood, having 16 to 17% oxygen in it, while the oxygenated blood, which we say running through most of the arteries, do have 21% of oxygen, which is just around 4 to 5% more oxygen as compared to the blood flowing mostly through the veins. There are images on textbooks where blue color is shown for the blood running through the veins. That too puts up a confusion in the minds of the early learners. Blood is never blue in color. It is deep red in color when it is less oxygenated, and when it is highly oxygenated, it is bright red in color. So, you should never confuse yourself thinking that blue colored blood flows through veins or red colored blood flows through arteries. A complete no to this knowledge. Blood is always red in color, brighter red when it is more oxygenated, and deep red when it is less oxygenated. Thank you. Stay tuned with Miss Zoology for such updates from time to time.